How's it going? Welcome to another video. I'm going to show you how to register a domain with GDI, how simple this is, and this is the reason why I'm running with this software. So you're going to come to a site just like this. You're going to get access to a domain name. It's going to be a it's going to be a .ws. You're going to get access to an email and WordPress. I just use the domain and I use the webmail. So you're going to hit a free trial. So you're going to be able to do a free trial for 7 days. You're going to register your name, your business, and it's going to ask you what you want your domain name to be. You're going to put that, and you want to make sure you select the security. It's going to be $1 extra. So it's going to be a total of $11 and $11 a month. You're going to get access after that to a back office like that here. So if you want to actually resell GDI to other members, you want to come back and click my replicated websites, and you want to make sure you choose this product and service to sales page, just because it looks the cleanest. Once you do that, you're gonna, let's just do it right here. Click this, you're gonna update it. And then if you want to access your actual domain name, you're gonna come down here to domains. And you want to make sure, if you do that $1 so you can get the security, you want to make sure you enable your SSLs just so you have a secure domain, so people know you're legit. You want to come here to URL forwarding, and you want to copy and paste whatever website you want this to go to. If you want it to show just your domain name, you want to click mask. If you don't mind it showing your long link when they click on your domain name, then you can just keep it unchecked, but I like it checked so it can look professional. And you're going to hit update, and you have access to that. So if you want to have access to your email, let's scroll up for a second. So you're going to scroll, set up your email. You're going to click here, and you're going to fill out your name and email. Your name and your information, password. And you can pick up to 10 emails, I want to say. You see I have one for my ebook, one that I use for everything, and one for sales. And it's just going to add whatever name prefix on side of that. And you're going to click update. You're going to click create mailbox. And you can just click here, and you're going to be able to access all your emails. Just make sure you write down that password you used. And now you have access to a way simpler domain and email service for $11 a month. Every member you give a trial to, and they want the system, it's going to be $1. I know it sounds low, but it's $1, 5 levels deep. So if people all the way down, buy, multiple domains or start bringing people in, everyone above that is going to earn $1 per referral. So it's going to add up pretty fast. And this is just a tool. So it's just, you're pretty much getting some extra cash flow for a tool you were going to use anyways. So I hope you enjoy this Global Domain International video. Comment below if you have any questions. Have a good one.